Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith, the Smith the Black channel here at Ticker Talking. It's Tuesday. We're going to hit them with the Strat Attack show. So we get into the urban assault vehicle and we go see what's going on. We got a new quarter, we got a new month, all that kind of stuff starting off. So SPY just kind of meandering here, and you can see this today. Start off the month. It came out gangbusters on last Thursday. Then this week we gap up here, and then today, yeesh. So we got exhaustion risk because we just keep going into the highs. Like so, and that's why we're really rooting on these Qs. And so the Qs are the hammer counter shooter 222 above 324.33. We're there right now, but a little shake them up here, and now a shooter. What's the next two we want to know about? Can we continue these gap like that and just keep going, or are they going to start bringing them in? Looks like we'll find out tomorrow. We've got the Dow Jones Diamonds here just kind of sitting up there. Once again, this exhaustion risk whenever you go into the highs. Here, right, just a 2 up. There's no more pivots to take out. The small cappers lagging here, still handily inside month, and you can see this. And then on the weekly, they pop up a little bit on the inside week, but then are red. So that would have to turn back green over the opening of 226.40. All right, so that's would get that going a little bit better. But we're rooting those Qs because you got SMH here on the week now red after going 2-2 day down, right, and on the month. Still looking for that 222 into the highs, but we're going to have to, on the daily, after AMET came out today with their investor day, so how are you going to turn this around? Is it going to go 2 up, 2 down, and then right back up in their face or not? XLK, also here stuck. Inside day for XLK, which is going to give Microsoft the inside day, but Microsoft already hit its magnitude for the month. All it was supposed to do is go 2 up, 2 down, and take that out, and it did it. The question is whether Apple can pick up the pace here and go 2-2 on the month. You still got some room on that. That'd be over 128.72 is where we're going to need that Apple to go. So we'll see, because we got Google also hits magnitude by going inside month to the upside and going into the highs, and that's oftentimes when you get this inside day nothingness. So exhaustion risk doesn't mean it's going to turn around and tank. It just means it might just flatline for a while. We'll see. If we go to Amazon, and Amazon on the day, you can see just stuck here trying to get out of this broadening formation, which is also here. This outside week, then inside week, then up, right? But we're watching this on the monthly basis with the Qs and everything, because you have this outside bar, then down, and then 2 up over 31.82, and you're still there. So we'll keep an eye on that. If you go to Domino's Pizza, you can see this, 2 down in the month and 2 back up, and coming back through these pivots would be nice. So right now for the month, over 377.97 is what we're looking. So you got a few bucks in that, and we'll see what comes of that. If we go to TMO, and TMO, we're keeping an eye on this too, because the outside month, 2 down. This would be your triangle here, higher high, lower lows. And now the reversal would be 2-2 back up over 467.31. You're there now. Thermo, TMO. Stamps. STMP, also the outside month, poke down here over this. 203.44. That's what we're looking on this one. If we go to Walmart, 2-2 reversal. Over 137.59, you're there. Tells us to look at Costco. That's 2 down and 2 up reversal over 357.77. If we go to NEE, another 2-2 reversal here on the month over 76.91. Go to TXG. TXG getting close to the magnitude. Shooter, hammer, boom, 222. And that's over 193.82. Looking to take this out, 201.70. Almost there. If we go to ECL, not a lot of magnitude on this rev strat because it was inside, then pokes down, and the magnitude is really just to take this out, which it did. The question is going to be strong enough here. You can see this was an outside bar. There's your broadening formation to see if you can go up and take that out. We can keep an eye on that going forward. If we go to Adobe, hammer counter shooter monther, and that's a 3-2-2 as well. So we're looking to take this out, 506.51. So it'll be a nice move here from about 482.41. If we go to OLED, Just kind of sitting here for right now, but anytime it's over 240.98, it has my attention on the 2-2 month. EA. Here, 2 down, 2 up, over 138.28. How's ATV? How these other guys doing? Not quite there, or TTWO. So you can watch and see if all three of those can get going, because that would help. All of them go. If we go to gold, here, gold, close to the 2-2 month. If you get gold over this, 164.15. You're not there just yet, but if you do, you got RGLD already. Strat month trying to come back through these guys. If we go to Comvault, CVLT, not quite there yet, but didn't get my attention here. If you can take this out, 68.48. If we go to GH, hammer counter shooter 222 month over 157.59. We go to Autodesk. And Autodesk here, RevStrat, inside bar, hammer counter shooter, RevStrat here. If you can get it back over 286.90, it's been there, now just kind of flirting with it. We'll see if we can get a verified good break on that one. VRS and Verisign. Stop them out right here. 2-2 reversal back to the previous range here over 201.38. We go to Microchip. So a bunch of these chippies trying to finish the job here. Microchip, 2 up, 2 down. We're taking out the high, taking out the low. Above 158.36, and we'll be watching this with all those things. How can you turn this around to that AMAT stuff? If we go to CRM. CRM trying to go to 2 and back up. That needs over 220.20. All right, you're there, and just trying to get out of this. You're stuck in this tight broadening formation, trying to go expando. So tomorrow, that was a 2 up, this is a 2 down. Maybe get that continuation 222. Teradyne. And Teradyne monthly here, broke up, now comes back in. So we're looking for a rebreak of 134.35 if you can get it. AVGO. AVGO still looking to complete this compound 3, this to go into the highs here. And AVGO was able to maintain an inside day even with the AMAT stuff coming in. So it's going to give you something like this. There you go. There's your broadening formation it needs to get out of. If we go to EXAS. EXAS went 2-2 day to the upside. Hasn't triggered yet, I don't believe, but we're looking to see if it can go here. RevStrat, inside bar, then down and up over 140.85. You got a lot of room before that happens. Star Surgical. And Star Surgical doing the shooter counters, hammer 222. Above 107.18, trading 112.59. See if we can take that all the way back to the highs. Go to ISRG. ISRG, once again, shooter counters, hammer 2 down, and then 2 up here. Over 760.77, you're there. And INCY here, going 2-2 back up on the month over 82.30. You're there right now, and if that works, you're going to see this, the higher highs and the lower lows. And if you go to your weekly, you're going to see this. Like, like so. There's your broadening formation. So let's see if we can start racing through there, and INCY would be nice. Starting off, there's not a lot of weakness, but we've got some of the energies. PXD going inside weakened down, at least to start off. But if you go the month here, still got some room before it goes 2-2. We got an oil number coming out in the morning, so we'll see how that goes. You've also got Conoco. Inside weakened down very slightly, and an inside day here. So we'll see how that goes when you go the month. You got some room, but you got some shooters. So Earl, they want to give that stuff up again. Chevron is below last week's lows here. That's a 222, not an insider. Nope, that's inside and down 2 Chevron. Oxy here. So we'll see how all that kind of stuff plays out. And Oxy here going after the shooter month. All right, so that's stuff we'd want to know about. XLE, not there yet, but we'll see how that goes. Let's go to Merck. And Merck on the month, still inside, but on the weekly, you got your RevStrat week and a little bit more to take these guys out. Some healthcare having some issues here. UNH Goes 2 down reversal on the week, and we're looking to see if we can get that compound 3 to take this out. And that tells us to keep a watch on ANTM. How's that doing? Trying to take out last week's lows. Humana. There you go. And there's a 3-2-2 to the downside. Looking to see if we can take this out. Cigna here still stuck, but if we can take this out, then it'll be 2-2-2 to the downside. Centene here. Already trying to go 3-2 to the downside, so a little bit of healthcare over there. So it's early in the month, it's early in the quarter. A lot of things are in exhaustion risk, which means going into the highs, and that's when you get this boring chops kind of scenario stuff. So hopefully we can get these Qs going, because that's the real golden hope of not exhaustion risk. All right, that's going to do it for today. I'm Rob Smith, the Smith Black Channel. Ticker Tacker with Strat Attack.